Hi guys, my name is Lyric Rochester and today this is the makeup tutorial. This is actually my go-to eyes. I may have similar ones here on my channel, but this is the eye look that I've been rocking for weeks. Really hope you guys enjoy this. Please don't forget to subscribe and yeah, bye. Oh no, not bye. Enjoy the video. What's that? Is that lipstick on my teeth? Alright guys, so I'm going to be using my chocolate bar palette, my Too Faced chocolate bar palette, my semi-sweet, and I'm taking coconut cream and just an angled brush, and I'm putting that on my brow bone. And as you can see, I'm just baking. I'm wearing my banana powder. I just remembered I didn't set everywhere else, so I'm just going to go in right now with my MaryKay bronze 5. So it's a MaryKay Mineral Powder Foundation in bronze 5 and my POMI byLyric, my Dipped in Elegance brush. I love this brush for applying powder foundation. I love how it gives a nice full coverage. So I'm going on the areas where you would normally contour, like put the darker color, and then all over my face. Then take whatever's on the brush, so just dust off the Ben Nye. So I'm going to go back in with the bronze 5, get some in the cap, and do the rest of my face. Now the foundation I'm wearing is the Loreal, I think it's Loreal Infallible. This is the foundation I'm wearing and I have a video coming up of this. It is amazing. Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking my LA Girls blush collection and this is in Glam. And I'm going to be taking the bronzer and my MAC 217 brush, and I'm just going to go in my crease. Today's look is just going to be pretty simple. I didn't want to do anything, you know, over the top because I'm just heading into town for a meeting. So yeah. Then I am going to go in with the palette that I've been using. Let me get rid of this because it must be annoying from over here. Okay, so as you tell, I'm using natural lighting, so it's coming in hot from this side, so sorry about that. Alright, so I'm going with my MissyLynn Palette from BH, the collaboration she did with BH Cosmetics, and I've been using this palette so much, so I just decided to film the look that I'm always wearing. So I'm going to take this color here, same 217, and I am going to go right on my brow bone with it, lightly on my brow bone. Then I'm going to take the same angle brush that I used to do to put the color on my brow bone. I'm going to take whatever is on it and just blend the brow bone color and the purple together. Then I'm going to take the darker purple, same 217, hope I'm in focus, same 217, tap off. Then I'm going to focus this on the crease. So the reason I went in with the lighter color first and went a little bit further than my crease is because I wanted a gradient of purple. So I moved from light purple to dark purple. And whatever's left in the brush, I'm just going to lightly fuse those two purples together. Then I'm going to go in with my angled brush that I used to do my brows, and I want the brow bone color and the purple to fuse a little bit better. So I'm just going to blend down that brow bone color some more. Then taking the same angled brush, just going back and forth. And also because of how I draw my brows on it, it gives the illusion that I have more eye space because I cut off the ends of my brows and I draw a higher arch. Also by bringing my brow bone a little bit further down, it also gives the illusion of a higher arch as well, and also a very structured brow bone, which I don't have because y'all know I have hooded eyes. So I'm going back in with the chocolate bar palette, and I'm taking coconut cream, and I'm just taking coconut cream because I use it as my highlight color. Then I'm just going to pat. So pat right on the brow bone and then blend it down. Taking the same color, I'm going to be going in with this brown right here. And that brown is just going to add a bit more depth and to kind of dirty up the purple a little bit. Not sure, let me see if you can see the difference. I have to hold the palette up to kind of block the light. So can you see the difference? No? Yes? Maybe not. But there is a difference. This side is a little bit deeper. It's a little bit deeper than this side. Alright. Then I'm going to be taking, hold on. Just brush my face off a little bit. Then I'm going to be taking my brush from my Dipped in Elegance set. And I'm going to be taking the this brush, and I'm going to be taking this highlight color. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. mist and set, spritz my brush a little bit, and this just helps the brush, the eyeshadow to be wet, and it gives a foiled look. So it helps the color to come out a bit more pigmented. Yeah, let's just say that you get a better color payoff. So this doesn't work that well with matte colors. With matte colors, you want to put down a cream base in order for them to pop. With more shimmery colors, if you spray something that's a little bit moist, like a Fix Plus water, you know, mist and set like what I'm using, it gives the color a bit more payoff. So it comes out more pigmented. Bring on the other side. I'm not wetting it yet because I noticed that whenever if I over wet the eyeshadow, the highlight color, it creases, and it creases horribly. So just that to take into consideration as well. And that's why I like doing my makeup like for YouTube, because it gets me, like when I go for YouTube and don't get anywhere, because I get to test out products and to see what works and what doesn't. And notice I'm patting on again to get that color payoff. I really want a black. Alright, so the black that I'll be using again is from the Too Faced palette, and it's called Licorice. Focus. Okay, so I'm taking Licorice. So what? I'm putting it right on the outside. I'm going to take this brush to kind of blend the lines together. There's nothing on this brush at all, just blending. So for my inner corner here, I'm going to take this color, and I don't usually take this color, I usually take this one. Let's take this color right here. So I'm going to take the angled brush and take the lighter purple Remember, I use this brush to do my brow bone. I'm going to take this and put this lighter purple in here.
Two queens stand before me. Ladies, this is your last chance to impress me.
Oh, and I have on a black eyeliner. Alright guys, so I'm wearing our Fashionista Lashes, and for my lips I'm going to be putting on LA Girl's Smooth Plum. Which looks really nice. And for my glow, I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Glam again. I'm going to be taking this over here and my Sedona Lace FB01 brush. And then my MissyLynn Palette and this one. I think I want to go lighter on the lips, so I'm taking Think Pink by Wet n Wild. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I'm not wearing any bronzer, blush, just the glow, and that's it. Still trying to figure out if I like these lips or not, but for now they're working. And I wrapped my hair. Ooh, look at that glow. Looks nice. Yeah. Yep, so that's it. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if I'm speaking a little bit soft. Jonathan is sleeping, so I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to thumbs this video up, and of course share and subscribe. I'll talk in the next video.